The UPL journey to becoming India's premier and the 11th largest agrochemical company in the world has been many splendored. It has been a saga of revolutionary leadership, path-breaking achievement, and has inspired a legacy of smiles for the myriad lives it has touched. A USD 2 billion plus company, bolstered by 22 company and 15 product acquisitions, we continue to make India proud. Fortified by an impregnable safety track record, since its inception in 1969, UPL has set the benchmark for the agrochemical fraternity to emulate. Business for UPL has many parameters that go well beyond the basics of commercial, financial, and community. For us, protection of health, safety, and the masses whose lives we touch matter most. It is our undying commitment to society and the environment we live in that keeps us aware of our principal obligations to the times we live in. With 28 ultra-modern UPL plants, 9 domestic and 19 on the global canvas, we are all geared up to tackle any industrial eventuality. Our emergency rescue team has faced scores of critical situations like blazing fires, chemical leaks, or explosions with absolute control and bravery. Potential disasters in remote areas like Vapi, Ankleshwar were neutralized thanks to the rescue team's quick and effective action. Our plants across the world comply with all safety parameters, including mandatory certifications.
All our factories across UPL have implemented safety management system, which is OSHA's 18001. We at UPL have also implemented best-in-class process safety management. At UPL, we are committed to provide best-in-class environmental and safety standards to all our stakeholders.
हमारी कंपनी सेफ्टी सुरक्षा અને પર્યાવરણનું ખૂબ જ ધ્યાન આપે છે. અમે સેફ્ટીના સાધનનો પૂરેપૂરો ઉપયોગ કરીને જ કામ કરીએ છીએ.
It is only the good fruit of our excellent standards of safety that we've been decorated with several awards by respected national and international bodies. At UPL, we've always believed in the strength of the human community. Contrasting in appearances we may be, but it is our humanity that binds us. Each of us, we believe, is in turn responsible for the well-being of the other. UPL has added great value to the immediate neighbor of its presence in many ways.
UPL કંપની તરફથી એમના સ્ટાફ તરફથી અમને તરમલિયા ગામે જાણવા મળ્યું કે ભાઈ આ ટ્રેનિંગ છે તો અમે 25 થી 30 ખેડૂતો અમે ત્યાં ગયા અને એ લોકોના સ્ટાફ દ્વારા અમને માર્ગદર્શન આપવામાં આવ્યું. તે ખેતી પ્રમાણે અમને ઘણો ફાયદો થયો છે.
UPL respects the environment at all times. Going ahead of the customary lip service, UPL is at the forefront of protecting and beautifying environment. Converting a garbage dump yard into an eye-catching green park in Gorai on the outskirts of Mumbai is one such initiative. The effort has helped Municipal Corporation of Greater Mumbai earn a princely sum of 73 crore rupees through carbon credits. As the path to progress is ever widening, UPL with its high-tech savvy is upbeat about the emerging picture. With innovative technology being the bedrock of the exponential expansion at UPL, comes our new venture in Gujarat. The venture, an amalgamation of cutting-edge Japanese and Swedish technology, promises to herald the beginning of a new era for all. The UPL wagon wheel continues to energize the path of progress as it marches relentlessly to its own beat, making the world a better place.